Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hazira Hazwana binti Kamal Zaman, metric number 19DMC 19F2012, graphic and media printing student from Polytechnic Muazzam Shah, Pahang. My supervisor is Puan Nur Hidayah binti Ismail. Company profile. The company that I choose is Pulut Sambal Brunach. The owner of this company is Ahmad Nasuha bin Johari, that are also known as Brunach. This local Kuantan company sell and supply Pulut Sambal. The business starts since 2020. There are 5 items for this project, which is packaging, thank you card, souvenir, Instagram poster, and lastly is poster. The objective is to strengthen the packaging more by modifying the original design. From the box shape packaging, I upgrade it to a paper bag. The paper bag is more eco-friendly and leave no carbon footprint. The problem statement is the original design is too common and not aesthetically pleasing. The earlier packaging does not provide any comfort when transporting from point A to point B. The lack of handle, strap, and a place to grip troublesome the consumer. Next, let's move on into the SWOT. First, the strength. Highly requested in Kuantan area and fast delivery and have a great customer service. For weakness is packaging is too simple, lack of promotion and advertisement. Opportunity is to upgrade the packaging and attract more customer by adding more items for advertisement. The threat is lack of idea for design concept and take a lot of time to think. SDG goal for this project is responsible consumption and production that reduce waste and sustainable lifestyle. The second one is climate action. For material that I choose is eco-friendly and recyclable. Let's see the design artwork and their details, shall we? Next, let's move on. The theme for this project is inspired from the company logo. Concept, the shade of the orange that are used for this project are taken from the color of the Pulut Sambal. The shape on this project mimic the shape of the chili pepper. Conclusion. I conclude this project by saying grateful for the guidance from my lecturer, coordinator and supervisor for helping and giving inspiration for this project. And also, don't forget, I want to thank my friends and classmates for giving me motivation throughout this project. Even the ups and downs, I managed to learn and finish this project. Syukur Alhamdulillah, all praise to the Almighty Himself for blessing me and guide me when I'm at my downfall. I managed to stand back up and not giving up and keep fighting until I reach the end of the goal.